This video teaches you how to install a HerdHand Water Monitor at a solar water trough. First, you want to mount your HerdHand monitor in a vertical position at your trough where it's out of reach of your livestock and can connect to a cellular or satellite network. Next, you'll take the power cable that is provided with your HerdHand device and route it into your trough's battery box. This will make it easier for you to connect your power cable to your pump's battery and protect the wiring from your livestock by keeping it out of their reach so they won't chew on it. Once the wiring is routed into the box, you can secure everything back together and use a zip tie to make sure the wiring is connected tightly and nothing is hanging loose. For this next step, you'll want to ensure that your pump's battery is turned off and not outputting any power. You'll want to start by loosening off the battery posts so you can take the power cable and connect the bare leads directly to the battery. When installing your power cable to the battery, ensure that the red cable is being connected to the positive post and the black cable is being connected to the ground or negative post. This step allows your HerdHand monitor to be powered by your pump's battery, and because your device is wired directly into the battery, you'll be able to monitor the battery voltage of your trough from anywhere on the FarmSimple app and receive alerts during low voltage events. Once your power cable is wired in, you can tighten everything back up and resume the power output to normal. Once your power cable is connected to your battery, you'll want to take the rest of the cable and tuck it into the trough and reroute it so it is secured tightly to the trough and out of reach of your livestock. Now you can take your water level sensor and place it at the bottom of your trough and connect it to your HerdHand device using the quick connect cable that is attached to it. You can now power on your HerdHand by plugging the power cable into your device. You want to make sure you see this green light flashing at the bottom of your device so you can make sure it's connected to a satellite or cellular network. Now you can enjoy monitoring your livestock's water from anywhere using the HerdHand and the FarmSimple Mobile App.